Accumulations between 6 to 12 inches. Snow accumulations up to 1 inch. And a great release possible. Winds may gust to 35 miles per hour Saturday night. Where? Belleville, Merrimack, Stratford, and Sullivan counties.
Whoa.
Wind from midnight to 9 to 5
107.3.
Periods of heavy snow and mixed precipitation will combine with low visibility to create very dangerous driving conditions. If you must travel, take an extra flashlight.
105.5.
From your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to NewEngland511.org. Periods of heavy snow and mixed precipitation.
102.3. Oh, double. Oh, nice. The Emerson up there went off. 101.1. 101. 94.1. Oh, 102.7.
Here is winter storm warning information for the following areas. Northern. Wet. Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow. 6 to 12 inches. 1 inch. And a great release possible. Winds may gust to 35 miles per hour Saturday night. Where? Belknap, Merrimack, Stratford, and Sullivan counties. Wind from midnight tonight to 5 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Periods of heavy snow and mixed precipitation will combine with low visibility to create very dangerous driving conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to NewEngland511.org.
There was a lot of FMs.
There was finish.
Southwinds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 85 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Wind chill values.
I heard this thing going off. Yeah, nice.
Recreation forecast for some of the mountains.
That missed it the second time. I don't know why. I don't think this. I'll have to check back the footage. I might have missed channel 4. That took care of channel 3. Which ones are still on? Oh, this up here went off.
Rain in the afternoon. Southeast winds up to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour.